Tired of manually replying to every single TikTok comment and message? Let's dive straight into how you can automate your TikTok messaging using the power of Zapier. First, you'll need both a Zapier account and a TikTok business account. Make sure you're logged into both. Click on the Create Zap button in the upper left-hand corner of your Zapier dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Now, select TikTok as your trigger app. Under Choose Trigger, select the New Activity trigger. This means that any new activity on your TikTok account will set off the chain reaction. You can then customize this trigger to specify exactly what kind of activity you want to monitor, say, a new comment, a new mention, or a new follower. For this demo, let's select New Comment. Next, we'll set up an action app. This is what will happen after the trigger. Let's say you want to be notified by email whenever someone leaves a new comment. Choose Gmail as your action app. Then select Send Email as your action. Now, customize your email. You can use the data from the TikTok comment like the user's name and the comment itself to personalize your email subject and body. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. If it is, go ahead and turn your Zap on. And that's it. Now you can automatically respond to TikTok interactions, explore other integrations, and get creative with automating your TikTok engagement to save time and boost your community management.